megalayapost.news
Haba penrem juri ke jingsyap niap unong yalam kabalang baptes Manipur, Menteri Rengba ke Jelau Konrad K Sangma mentah ke sengi ulang bakate ke jingja kare ke kam jong ki kauput bat ki kam thombor persya ya kalong beriu kaman beriu bat nagalyang ka parti NPP ka kentat war bandan kum kini ki kam thombor ki basim sendan wat ya ke jing beriu ulang ru kum Menteri Rengba ke Jela Meghalaya ubo ya ke jing kerpat ka bajuri ke Sarkar Jela ke Manipur ban simkhia mardor halor ke jingsyap niap unong yalam ki balang bat dai bentok kit bat ban pensitom ya gitu ki badan kti hakate ke kam niap beriu hakaju kapor la karparu iki pajba ka Manipur ban sangi kum kini ki kam thombor ki basim ya ka jing jong ki beriu ki balului badai bandan ka jing itrelang na ka benta ban wanra ya ka songsuk ka songsan susu halor ka te ka jing sha paniap unong yalam ka balang baptis ula panram jur ya gitu ki bale ya ka te ka kam ban nagalyang ka Sarkar Jela ka de ban sim khia ban tokit ban pensitom ya ki badan kti badai ban thau ki lat ki lenti ban wanra no ya ka songsuk ka songsan ki pajba ha Manipur.
The attack, any kind of violence is something that from our party side is completely unacceptable, and the way it was done and the way the church leaders were attacked and the loss of lives that was there is something that we have highly condemned as a party, and we urge the state government as well as the people of Manipur that we need to ensure that violence must stop, and we must continue to work together as a society to work towards bringing back peace in the state of Manipur, as Manipur has been suffering for a very long time, and if we do not have peace, we will not be able to move towards bringing back normalcy in the state of Manipur.
megalayapost.news